Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: device model, router firmware, and OS version so you know constraints. Once done, reboot both router and device to clear transient faults. This often fixes intermittent disconnects. Make sure to disable any active power-saving profiles temporarily so they don't cut Wi-Fi. The why is simple: aggressive sleep states turn off radio to save battery. If you haven't, note network passwords now. That speeds reconnection when interfaces reset. Next, update firmware and wireless drivers because many dropouts come from outdated code. Apply updates, then reboot. Once updated, open network adapter settings and turn off 802.11 power save modes. This prevents the adapter from sleeping. Then choose a stable channel and band. 4 GHz gives range, 5 GHz gives speed. Pick what matters. Finally, set a fixed IP or reserve one in the router to avoid lease conflicts that can abruptly disconnect you. To complete, verify stability by running a continuous ping and a few speed tests while using typical apps. This confirms the fix and shows packet loss patterns. If problems persist, reset network settings on the device to clear corrupted profiles. Make sure to note error messages or logs because support will ask. As a last resort, factory reset the router and reconfigure SSID, encryption, and passwords. This resolves firmware corruption. If it still fails, contact ISP with your logs for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.